Okay, so this is Austin. He's going to try some of this. It is not warm right now. Yeah, pull a little. There you go.
Got it.
This is carb-free, basically Thai peanut noodles.
I'm making a mess.
You're making a huge mess.
I'm making a mess.
Step back. There you go.
Moment of truth.
The reason it's carb-free is because it's cabbage instead of noodles. So tell the people what you think.
It's different.
Is it good?
It's good. I don't know. What did you use? Use like peanut sauce in this?
Yeah, that peanut sauce that I make. So I sauteed them with onions and carrots.
What is this gonna go with? Like what?
That's gonna be with the roast. So I'll have cabbage, roast, and then either
Are you gonna shred up the roast and put it in there?
well, I mean, I'm gonna break the roast up a little bit so that it's food prep.
It's good.
It'll be a nice complement with the roast.
It's good. I kind of want some more, like saltiness.
I don't cook with salt.
I know, but like you could put, what's that like alternative that you use? Like this,
The
like,
coconut aminos?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want some coconut aminos?
That
Because you
would
can
be
use that
good.
as a
That
garnish.
would be good with it.
It's literally right in front of you.
Oh, that's what this is.
Yeah.
I don't know how much to put. I just need like a few.
It's a salt alternative, so have at it.
I think that adding a little bit of this would be good. Let's see. I might bring out more.
What do you think about coconut aminos now?
That's better. That's better.
You're gonna be drinking bottles of that stuff, huh?
Yeah, it brought out more of the flavor, whatever's all in this.
Yeah.
That's what you were gonna do.
That's already in there, and then
More.
and then I always put that on top before I put whatever garnishes in the pan, because the food, when you put it in the fridge, cools off and then it soaks up.
Are you gonna put almonds in there as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna garnish everything with almonds and parsley and spring onions.
That's good. That's good.
Thumbs up.
I'd give it. Let's do 7.5 out of 10.
On a purely speculative scale,
It's passing. It's passing.
7 out of 10, folks,
Okay.
is passing.
Okay, we'll round it up. 8 out of 10.
What is a 10 out of 10 food-wise for you? Pizza? Ice cream?
No. it
Granola
would be-
with yogurt?
Yeah.
See? You got to know who you're talking to, people. He puts granola with yogurt atop of pizza or ice cream. Have you had the goat cheese? You had goat cheese the other day. Yep. What, like, on a scale of 1 to 10, what's goat cheese rate?
On what though?
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Like on a salad or
However you want to have it.
just in general?
You can have it with charcuterie, you can have it with walnuts, and I'm out of the spiced plums, but walnuts, hot honey, fruit.
I would say 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Same. Yeah.
That lets us know.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Everybody say goodbye to Austin.
Vámonos.